A handmade MTB frame is crafted entirely by a skilled technician, not mass-produced. Stainless steel offers strength, corrosion resistance, and a smooth ride feel. Korean craftsmen focus on durability, trail handling, and custom fit for riders. The process begins with a rider's measurements, inseam, torso, arm length. Geometry is designed using CAD software for frame angles, reach, and wheelbase. The tubing is selected based on riding style, trail, XC, enduro. Tubing is sourced from high-quality materials like Reynolds 921 or Columbus XCR stainless steel. Tubes are cut to precise lengths using a tube cutter or CNC saw. Wall thickness is chosen for strength versus weight balance. Each tube end is mitered, shaped, for a tight fit at joints, especially at the bottom bracket and head tube. Mitering is done with files, belt grinders, or a tube notcher. Perfect mitering ensures strong welds and frame integrity. Tubes are loaded into a frame jig, which holds all parts at correct angles. The jig is adjustable for custom geometry alignment. Alignment is checked with laser or dial indicators for precision. TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding is used for clean, strong, and controlled welds. Argon gas protects the weld zone from oxidation. Each joint is tacked first, then fully welded after alignment checks. Welded frames are air-cooled or placed in a temperature-controlled space. Some technicians heat-treat the frame for additional strength. Stainless steel requires careful heat control to avoid warping. The finished frame is placed in a surface alignment table to check for bends or distortions. Tools like alignment gauges and lasers ensure precision tracking. Misalignments are corrected using cold setting, manual force. Brake mounts, cable stops, bottle cage bosses, and rack mounts are brazed or TIG welded onto the frame. Disc brake mounts, post or flat mount, are added with caliper alignment jigs. Dropouts and through-axle interfaces are custom machined and welded. Stainless frames may be brushed, polished, or bead blasted for different finishes. The surface is cleaned of weld marks, oxidation, and heat stains. Some frames are engraved or laser etched with the maker's logo or rider's name. The technician installs the headset, bottom bracket, and seat collar. Custom selected components are mounted: fork, drivetrain, cockpit, wheels. The MTB is tuned for suspension sag, chain line, and shifting precision. The bike undergoes a road or trail test to ensure handling, braking, and comfort. Final checks include torque spec testing, weld inspection, and rider fit confirmation. The handmade stainless MTB is a functional piece of art, designed for years of rugged use, precise handling, and high performance.